Ever seen a market where cheese is paraded like in a race? Welcome to Alkmaar, home of the world-famous Dutch cheese market. Today, I'm diving into one of the most unique, quirky and delicious traditions in the Netherlands and got to stand on a giant weighing scale. I took the train from Amsterdam, just a 40 minutes ride, and stepped into a chilled town. Just got off from the station. I thought I would need a GPS to get to the cheese market, but yeah, there are directional signs here. Look. I've arrived in the cheese market. At 10 o'clock, they will ring the bell to start the market going. So right now it's still early, it's about 9:30 and they are preparing. You can actually see the cheese on the floor, covered by the cloth. The Alkmaar Cheese Market isn't just a tourist gimmick. It has been happening here since 1593. That's over 400 years of cheesy tradition, and is known as the world's oldest cheese market. Every Friday morning from end of March to early September, this square turns into a living museum of Dutch cheese culture.
Here at the cheese market in Alkmaar, lots of people today, which is great, because without you, we couldn't have had a cheese market here in the square. Yearly we get about more than 180,000 visitors, so we are very glad that you are one of them.
At 10 a.m. sharp, the guest of honor rings the bell, and the action begins. The cheese is unveiled, and throwers load up 8 pieces of cheese onto a platform, each about 10 kilograms. The carriers then bring them into the weighing room. The two men do a dribble brisk walk to minimize the sway of the load. The cheese is then loaded onto a wagon to be transported to a lorry.
Natuurlijk ook al dat de kaasmarkt officieel om 10 uur van start gaat. Van de huiskarren, zodat die kaas weer weggedragen wordt naar de vrachtwagens.
Cheese girls in traditional costumes paraded the ground with offer of cheese merchandise. There are plenty of stores giving out free sample before you decide on your favorite flavor to bring home. What better way to enjoy the market than to indulge in a cheese toast, with an overload of cheese on an oily piece of bread. cheese toast at the cheese market. A lot of cheese. I'm actually not a fan of cheese, but since I'm in the cheese market, might as well try. Sandwich with cheese, and on top there's grated cheese as well. It's actually quite nice, very cheesy. The Dutch sure know how to capitalize on the tourist dollars. At the closing of the market, these giant cheese weighing scales are turned into a tourist attraction of its own. For €1, you get to be weighed on these historic scales. As a typical tourist, I just couldn't pass on this opportunity. How many? 67. Okay, thank you. Yes. Thank you. 67 kgs? You must be kidding. That's the heaviest I ever weighed. Must have been the cheese toast. On my way back to the train station, I bid farewell to the cheese ladies. Thank you for showing me the way to a most unique piece of the Dutch culture. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments. What is the most unique market you have ever been to? In my next video, I will bring you on a day trip to see the traditional windmills of the Netherlands and dive deep inside to witness the inner working of this ingenious design.